Welcome to miniatures.de, your military miniatures magazine. In this issue, we will sculpt a cartridge bandolier for the FG-42 assault rifle of Airfix 1:76 scale German paratroops. This paratrooper is nicely sculpted, but his only equipment consists of a single field flask. In previous tutorials, we've equipped this figure with a bread bag and the entrenching tool, and now it's time to add the cartridge bandolier. Roll a tiny amount of green stuff into a sausage shape and press it firmly against the back of the figure. Using a modeling tool, remove most of the green stuff, leaving only a narrow strip of about 1.5 millimeters in width from the shoulder to the hip. The cartridge bandolier could be worn on the chest or on the chest and back. We've opted for the latter so that at least part of the bandolier is visible on this prone miniature. The depth of the cartridge bandolier can be adjusted by squishing it carefully and then readjusting the edges. Finally, 3 horizontal cuts are placed on the bandolier, separating it into 4 equal-sized pockets for one 20-round magazine each. The other half of the bandolier is not visible on the chest of this prone miniature, so we don't actually have to sculpt it. The strap connecting the two halves of the bandolier will just be painted later. Combat trials quickly indicated that the FG-42 would never be a suitable replacement for the MG-34 light machine gun at squad level. So in an upcoming tutorial, we will be converting this miniature into an MG-34 light machine gunner. There we are. This is what the FG-42 gunner now looks like after he has received more equipment. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website at miniatures.de.